Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use Chordal Fillet in use a CATIA command. CATIA, okay. This Chordal Fillet command use in CATIA, and this is a very important command and use a editing command. Okay, this is a editing command in use a CATIA software, and all 3D parts is drawing, and this is a 3D parts is a editing tools editing command you can see here. And guys, today discuss here CATIA lecture 33 is discussed here, and CATIA lecture 33 is a very important command. Command is a Chordal Fillet in use in CATIA command. Okay guys, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface and use a Chordal Fillet in use. Okay, at first drawing a any rectangle shape, and then use a Chordal Fillet is use, and then how this works is simply work. Okay, this is a 40, and this is a colorful is also for 40, and this is a colorful is a blue color is okay. Okay guys, this is our 3D body shape and 3D body design help of a rectangle, and then use a Chordal Fillet. Okay, Chordal Fillet is use. Okay, this all type of fillet in use, and first is discussed here, and second is also discussed here, third is a Chordal Fillet. Okay, click here, and this is a chordal length. At first select any edge, this is select edge, and this both side is 5 mm and 5 mm, and this is a 10. Okay, double click here. Okay, this point is very important, and this is a delete here. Okay, and this Chordal Fillet is use. Okay, at first select a edge point, and both side 10 mm, and use preview is showing here. Okay, and double click here, and this is a change the value is 5. Okay, and this is a enter. Okay, and this point is also change here 15, and this is a 10. Okay, and this value is a change here, and this is a minimal and tangency. You can see here, this is a minimal is a also default value is setting here 5 mm, and okay, this is a preview is showing here, and the second point is also use. Okay, and click here. Okay, Chordal Fillet, and this edge is a okay, select this edge, and select at first select a point. Okay, this point, and this length is a okay, and this is a okay, this point is, and this Chordal Fillet is used, and this edge and both side is 10 mm, and this at first select a edge fillet. Okay, fulfill 10 mm is also fulfilled. And next is a point is select a two elements, okay, and this is a point is a this point, and point is also a dimension, you can see here, and dimension is 10 is change is 20, okay, this dimension is 20. And also 3 point is used, 3 element is select here, and you can see here preview is showing here, okay, this preview is showing both side a 10 mm and this is a 20 mm, okay, and this is a linear preview is showing here, this is a both side 10 mm and this is a length is 20 mm, okay, and this is a cubic is good, okay, and preview is good, okay. This is a Chordal command is used, you can see here, and next lecture, and next double click here, and this is a change is 20, okay, and this is a 20, enter, okay, this is a not change, okay, and also this side, and a point is click here, and this is a this, and okay, and this Chordal fillet is used 20, this first, okay, this selection is a first, okay, two element is select here, first is point and second is this edge, and third is element is at first both side is a 20 mm, this value is length, Chordal length, and also this click here and select this point, and this is a 20, this is a Chordal length is 20 mm and 20 mm and 20 mm, and this is also change the value is a this is a 20, okay, and this is a 30, and this is a 40, okay, at first is a 20 mm, second is 30 mm, and for third is 40 millimeter, okay, you can see here this is a cubical, you can preview is showing here, okay, okay, this is a preview is showing here, and this is a okay, this fillet is used, and this is also a linear is used, preview is showing here, and this is a linear, okay, okay. Chordal command is Chordal fillet, Chordal command is very important, and use a 3D, any 3D model is edit the S and this face, also this face is a click here, okay, this face okay, this face, and this face Chordal command is use, not use, okay, face is not select, as is select here, okay guys. CATIA next lecture is coming soon, and this is a Chordal fillet is very important, and today discuss here, and this is a complete learning here, and next lecture is coming soon guys. Get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share, okay guys, thank you.